I believe in IMG. Manila Bankers. Kaiser, nasa iyo ng lahat. Happy Campaigners Day. Campaigners. Financial education is not an option. It's a necessary. International Marketing Group is committed to educating and empowering 30 million families by 2030. 30 million by 2030 financial literacy campaign. Be part of the campaign that is revolutionizing the financial industry with that system that